Hey friends, if you encounter page fault in non-page error area, blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to physically check the RAM. If you can do it, if you cannot do it, then call a hardware technician. The next solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So search for Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Memory Diagnostic. And now click on Restart Now and check for problems. The next one is to update the drivers. How would you update the drivers? So to update drivers, right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on Advanced Options, select Optional Updates and install all the updates from here. The next one is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. And lastly, disconnect peripherals. So the peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras, etc., which push their drivers to the computer, and these drivers interfere with the existing drivers in the system. So it is important to disconnect these peripherals to isolate the cause. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.